Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie for those of you that don't know me, and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today's video, it's an exciting one. We're getting the house ready for the holidays. I'm excited that I finally got a TV stand from Homery. Let me tell you guys, this website has incredible home decor and furniture pieces, very modern, and finally my TV wall area, it's gonna get a little refresh and just in time for the holidays. Don't forget to check the description box because I will be putting the link to my new TV stand and also the 10% coupon for homery.com. Homary had a bunch of different TV stand for every taste, for every style, but I honestly opted for this one because it comes with a fireplace and I wanted like a fireplace in this area. And the cool thing is that everything came fully assembled. All we have to do was put together the fireplace unit and put water in it because it's a humidifier at the same time. So how cool is that? Look at that. And it changes to two different colors. It's super pretty and I think it really goes well with my modern decor in my home. I love this piece. And then the hubby and his cousin just help out. And now we have to decide if I want to put it on the wall, mount it, or leave it on the floor. Let me know what you think down in the comments that I should do. But this is how it looks now. It really completes this space. It looks finished now. Look how beautiful. We added a new rug and took all the pillows out because we're going to be decorating for the holidays soon. But I wanted to show you that the fireplace TV stand unit also comes with two drawers, which is a plus because it will be storage for us here to put the remote controls and all of that. And there's soft close, which is amazing. And I love it. Look, you guys could get this piece in black as well or the white and gray like I did. You guys, it is my favorite time of the year. Are you guys ready for the holidays? I know for some of you it's super early, but hey, here I am putting up the family room Christmas tree, and this year I wanted to go for something very minimal in this area, and we found the perfect tree at Kin of Christmas. So I will link this one down below because we also have a new tree for the living room, the formal living room, or whatever you guys call that, those rooms nowadays. But here I am just putting this one together. I love that this tree is very minimalist looking, but also it's super easy to put together. I honestly did it myself and I'm not supposed to be lifting, but it was kind of lightweight. I fell. My doctor might not agree with me, but hey, we got it done because the hubby was working that day and I was just like, hey, let me just get a head start of this. Honestly, the tree is so beautiful and looks good just by itself, but of course I'm going to be decorating it, so stay tuned for that video coming soon. So after 4 weeks of your girl being home with a newborn, I finally went out and of course I did some major shopping and I even got the viral Christmas tree from TikTok at Home Depot. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited for this Christmas. So here's my bestie and the hubby helping me out by moving furniture, setting up the new rug and all of that good stuff so we could set up the new Christmas tree. And of course I went with my favorite vacuum and I mapped the floors before we set up the new rug. The rug that you're gonna see that we're setting up, I got it at Ross, and you guys, it was only $100. And I also got it for the family room. If you saw it, it's the same exact rug. It was beautiful. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but it worked for the space and it looks great. Okay, are you guys ready to see the viral Christmas tree from TikTok? Was it worth it? You're gonna see in a second. It was worth every penny that I paid for this. I got the 9 feet tree and it also the full version of it. Besides the beautiful lights, one of my favorite things from this tree was that it barely needed to be fluff. Oh my goodness, you need to get it. I'm telling you, check your local Home Depot. I'm gonna put the link and get it. It comes in 3 different sizes, 7.5, 9, and 12. And it comes in slim or full. This is the full version, 9 feet. The tree can be controlled via the remote control that comes with it or via the app on your phone. And here it is, you guys. How pretty. So here they are again, putting things back. And this is the layout that I decided to do for this year here in the main living room. And here are the colors. So for this year, I wanted to mix some of the metallics with a pop of green and the brown, which is so trendy right now. And here's my beautiful friend Marisol. You guys have seen it in my previous Decorate With Me videos for Christmas. And she makes the most beautiful magical Christmas trees that you could ever see. And if you're in South Florida, I will put her Instagram below so you guys can follow her or let her know if you need her services. She also makes beautiful floral arrangements. So if you need any of that, definitely follow her on Instagram. So I started by adding the ribbons to the tree and then the large ornaments first. And then I moved on into creating clusters of ornaments so we could just put them together. And yeah, this is how pretty much everything is looking. If you want a more detailed step by step, you can see my previous Decorate With Me Christmas tree videos. But here we are. This is what we have so far. Look at that top of the tree. It looks so pretty. I am loving all the colors, how they're looking together. They really complement each other. So here's how the tree is looking. We put that nutcracker that I got from Ross, which he is so beautiful. He's white with gold and silver, but we need a stand, and I don't know what stand I could use to make him stand in front of it like she displayed it there. We use my little stepper, but we need to come up with an idea of how to have him there. Also, the tree color that I got was too small, so we need a new tree color or decide on a tree skirt. So stay tuned for my Christmas Decorate With Me video coming next. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.